Welcome back to the Hayden Fox channel, where we help you be the best parents possible to maximize your kids' potential. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 quick and easy ways you can improve your children's grades and have them on their way to achieving straight A's. But before we begin, remember to collect your free parenting gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. They are specially curated resources that are guaranteed to be super helpful on your parenting journey. Now, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the power of a routine. Establishing a consistent study schedule is more than just penciling in homework time. It's about creating a rhythm that your child can sync with, making study time a regular part of their day, just like meals and playtime. Start off by setting specific study times. This could be right after school or after a short break. The key is consistency. Use a visual schedule, maybe a colorful chart, to help your child understand and anticipate study time. Involve your child in the planning process by asking them what time of day they feel most alert and ready to learn. This not only empowers them, but also ensures the schedule aligns with their natural energy peaks. Remember, breaks are essential, so incorporate short, regular breaks to keep your child refreshed and focused. A 15-minute break every 60 minutes can work wonders. Use a timer to help them understand when it's time to study and when it's time to take a break. Lastly, be flexible. Life happens, and sometimes the routine might need adjusting. The goal is to create a structure that supports learning, rather than one that simply enforces rigid rules. Next, let's turn our attention to the learning environment. It's not just about having a desk and a chair. It's about creating a space that inspires and motivates your child to learn. Start by choosing a quiet, well-lit area in your home. This could be a corner of their room, a dedicated study table, or even a spot in the living room. The key is minimal distractions and ample light to keep them alert and focused. Personalize the space. Let your child choose some decorations or arrange their supplies. This makes the area inviting and gives them a sense of ownership. A plant, their favorite artwork, or a motivational quote can add a touch of inspiration. Organize the study materials. Keep textbooks, notebooks, and stationery neatly arranged and within easy reach. A clutter-free space promotes a clutter-free mind, making it easier for your child to concentrate. Consider the ergonomics. Ensure the chair and table are comfortable and the right size. Good posture is crucial for long study sessions. If possible, have an adjustable chair or a footrest to cater to their growing needs. Lastly, limit electronic distractions. While laptops or tablets might be necessary for research or digital assignments, track unnecessary screen time. Encourage offline studying when possible, and use apps or timers to limit distracting websites or social media. Our final strategy revolves around active learning. This approach engages your child directly in the learning process, making it more effective and memorable. Firstly, encourage note-taking. It's not just about copying what's in the textbook. Teach your child to jot down key points in their own words. This not only helps in retaining information, but also in understanding the concepts better. Next, implement the teach-back method. After your child learns a new topic, ask them to explain it to you as if you're learning it for the first time. This reinforces their understanding and highlights areas they might need to revisit. Use practical examples. Whether it's math, science, or language arts, real-world applications make learning relatable and interesting. For instance, use cooking to explain fractions or a nature walk to discuss biology. Encourage problem solving. Instead of immediately helping them with homework questions, prompt them to think critically. Ask guiding questions like, "What do you think is the first step?" Or, "How does this relate to what you've learned?" Lastly, incorporate educational games and activities. This can be as simple as a vocabulary-building word game or a fun science experiment. These activities make learning enjoyable and less of a chore. Remember, active learning is about making the process interactive and engaging. It's not just about memorizing facts, but understanding and applying them. By incorporating these strategies, you're not only helping your child improve their grades, but also instilling a love for learning. And there you have it. 3 different ways you can help your kiddo get straight A's every time. As we draw this video to a close, don't forget to check out our best-selling book series, Life Skills for Kids, now available on Amazon. It's a must-have for any parent looking to empower their child with essential life skills. To get your hands on a copy, just click the link in the description below. Lastly, remember to claim your exclusive free gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. These resources are specially curated to support you on your parenting journey. You'll also receive priceless parenting tips, tricks, and strategies delivered straight to your inbox once a week, completely free. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this, and drop a comment below sharing which of these 3 methods is your favorite and why. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.